Pardon?
Yeah. Yes, I'll just give a brief intro because I've been doing technical analysis and modeling as a passion for the past 19 years. So I do a lot of technical studies, and of late, like say for the past 5 years, I've been working on some quant models. So I had been testing it out with giving demo to fund managers and brokers, and this is a end result of the work which I had carried on for the past 5 years. So what I thought is, because I had given a demo, but the issue is what it comes is because these kind of products are not yet what I can say, that acceptability still has to come in. So when they were asking me about the know-how of the working of the system, the proprietary indicators I could not give, but I could at least 5 different occasions I gave a live demo to the market participants. So I thought that there has to be some kind of a record where people also can benefit, and I also can showcase on a live system. So I thought I will start this blog and share my views based on my quant system. So that is what this whole thing is all about.
What are the strengths of the product you would like to highlight?
Yeah, the strength of the product is, see, what happens is typically what we see, the recommendations which are coming out based on the technical, it is very rigid. Like for example, I'll give you, suppose I say a particular stock, given an entry at a price. Say I'll just give you a recent example. One of the calls which the system generated is Tata Steel. So it generated a uh, buy trigger at around 350 levels, and for almost a week there was no activity, and it had come down by about couple of percent. But here the system is, when we typically follow a technical tool, there is a stop loss which triggers, and the stock happens to go in the direction which you analyze. So in this system, it actively calculates, there are a lot of filters which are there. It actually calculates whether it will still keep you in the position or not. So even after a week, the recommendation had come, it was still a buy. And subsequently, the next week, when the movement actually started, and now it's around, I not checked today, around 403. So that is delivering about 15% return in about 15 to 17 days time. So the issue is not giving like a lot of calls, and people don't make money. So it filters out to give the zero in on those trades where people will be able to actually make the money. That is all the whole unique thing about the system. And there are many a times when the system will keep you out of the market. Like for example, Nifty. For the past 3 weeks, I have been in a no trade zone in the Nifty, even though it has been rallying. So it will trigger a buy at the appropriate time when the filters are live. That's what is the strength of this whole system of the product.
So what are your findings versus in terms of results?
See, the results are about, in live market, as about 70% accuracy. And from my experience, I have seen it delivers anywhere between 3 to 5% in a month. And if there are a black swan events, like suppose you have a Lehman crisis or a war or something like that, where a 10 to 12% drawdown. So what I have actually tested with my own fund also, this system delivers anywhere between 40 to 70% per annum, given prudent asset allocation. Asset allocation is also part of this system. So this is based on hard data, where I had done some prop trading for brokers, and I had demonstrated the potency of this system.
So what is the risk versus return?
The risk reward is about 1:1, but on the best case scenario, it is about 1:2. Most of the trades will be 1:2, but even if the risk reward is lower, if the system is saying a very strong buy or a sell, we just go and execute.
Is it linked to any established systems like
I am
candle
not aware.
charting?
Yes,
like candle
No, there are
charting,
no
Elliott
HM.
wave?
Yes, I will give you a very brief thing. What are the things which this system incorporates? But each of those tools have been uh, defined in a very specific manner. What I observed over the years. For example, there are candlesticks and its patterns are very important in the working of the system. There are moving averages. How the moving averages has to be interpreted. There are oscillators out here. There are Bollinger Bands, and Elliott wave theory also forms a very big a part of this system. But it is combined with various parameters to give validity of a particular recommendation, whether it's to be a buy or a sell. So it is a combination of various things. So at that, if I can take that into account, then it is a unique product out here. I am not aware of such systems out here in India, but of course there are unique proprietary trading systems in advanced markets like US and UK and things like that.
What have been its findings on Corona period?
I have if you go and check out my blog, I have written a detailed report about the post corona scenario, what is going to be the outlook of the market and running the long term filters. So at the moment what my system is saying that post corona uh, the market rally, I am not overweight as per this system. Even though there is market is rallying, it is only somewhere after October where we can take increased allocation to equity. So at the moment the system is underweight on equity. And to just to highlight, from last October, that means October 2019, the Nifty system has been on a sell mode. It has never been in a buy mode. So that itself speaks that it has kind of kept us out of the carnage, and still the system has not entered a long-term buy zone. So I'm still waiting for the long-term buy zone, because long-term buy is very important for small investors, because they will not be able to, go long, go short, how a HNI would do, because their long-term uh, goal and asset allocation is based on the broad market rally. So that is why it's so important with this system.
How much time frame is given for the forecast?
See, short term calls anywhere between 7 to 30 days. But if it is a long term, it can run to several few weeks up to few months. The trades can hold on to few months. So a person doesn't need to worry once a buy or a sell call is triggered in the system that tomorrow what is going to happen, because all those factors are already input into the system. So anywhere between 7 days to 30 days for a short term, and a typical trade could last for a few weeks to a few months. For example, I will tell you around 45,000 levels, my system triggered a buy in gold, where gold was already kind of nearing its peaks. And we have delivered 14% return in gold. And I can back it up with my own personal investments, because my personal money was right. I have realigned my portfolio and my allocation into gold or fixed income or markets according to that. So it is not that I am putting it out and somebody else trades, they make or lose money, it doesn't matter. I am actually following it in my own fund. That's what gives more validity. So I'm still holding on to gold. And if somebody checks my blog, which I posted yesterday, there is a small write up about gold, what a new investor has to do into gold. So this is how the whole system identifies and tracks.
What is your forecast on the market by the system?
As I told you, at the moment, market is on a no trend, no trade zone, and I am waiting for the trigger where the system aligns itself. See, the whole idea out here is we just, when we design a system after years of research and we put in all different parameters, we just surrender our view and we blindly follow what the system is saying. So at the moment, I have no buy call or a sell call on Nifty, and it is still in a very cautious zone where there is a bias towards very extremely overbought levels. So if it has to sustain on this rally, I will wait for all those system filters to align before giving out a call. Maybe probably end of this week when my new post will come on the blog, you will get a better view about what my forecast is. But if you look at as a long-term investor, I will not increase allocation to equity till the month of anywhere between October to January, when there will be more clarity. And even talking about the macro levels, because it is not that the lockdown is just ended in a few months, it is extended, and the corona effect might have a delayed effect on the markets. So we need to take a, I'm not saying it's going to be an outright crash, but to have a fresh bull allocation, I will need more confirmation on this.
And is any fundamental factor also being considered?
Absolutely. See, the thing is, the whole thing has to be holistic. Fundamental factors are considered when we make a very long-term projection. Like, for example, I want to align my equity portfolio or gold or silver or any other asset allocation. I have to weigh in the fundamental factors. I'm not saying that the system will not be independently able to identify, but since I've been doing it for a very long time, so I like to synthesize, for example, what is happening with the GDP, whether there is capital creation happening or not, what is happening with the forex reserve, balance of trade, and each of those macro indicators also are treated in a very different way. So I use certain filters on the macro indicators also before forming a view on the long-term direction of the market.
So how much weightage is given to fundamentals?
Fundamentals, if you say a long-term system, say about 30% weightage.
And how often one gets the triggers?
As I told you, if you go looking for a long term, since October 2019, there is no trigger in the market. So we are almost 10th month now, where the system has kept us out of the market.
What is the feedback of people who are using it?
Now the feedback I'll get now, because till now I have been demonstrating it to only fund managers and brokers. And now I thought there has to be a record of whatever I am speaking out or my views. That's why I just started this blog. It is just 10 days old, and you are the first person interviewing me about this. So now I'll know what the feedback is.
So what are your findings?
Just now the traffic has started in the blog. Just about 30 odd people have viewed. I have only circulated it among my financial community friends to circulate it to brokers and things like that. And as you know, my main profession is I'm a captain. My main profession is seafaring and marine projects. So whenever I am down on leave, so I connect with the market and put out my views. So I thought at least this will create a record of my findings, and also if people have any particular query, then I can help them through. And my plan is to going ahead form some kind of a training, so how they can evolve as a trader, how they have to analyze the risk, and how they have to know themselves before they can align their trading system according to their own personality. So there are a lot of things about psychology and things like that. So it will take me a while, and I've tried to put out something which will help people to become better traders themselves.
How do you find your product better than the others available in the market?
See, the only what I can say, a litmus test for any system is the returns. So already have demonstrated. That is why this blog also I have started. So the people can actually go into the blog. Maybe you trade a small amount of money based on that, whatever recommendation is there. And over a period of time, they will be able to know how this whole thing works. So as I already told you, something between 40 to 70% is the return rate, and with the 70% risk. But this is based on the past record. But once they view it in live market and they know they have put in money, they have made money or lost money, people will be able to give me honest feedback.
The system is in place, or are you making still some modifications?
No, this quant system is in place. It is fully in place. I run it on my laptop and generate thing. It is not automated. I have manually see a lot of indicators and filters, and then I put out based on that, because to automate is a very huge task, this kind of a system.
How this product is priced?
At the moment, I have not priced it. I am just sharing my views, because as I told you, this is not my main line of income. So I thought I will share my ideas and let, as the things flow, I will take a call. So I want to generate basically awareness about my whole thing. And going forward, once I get a feedback, and I myself will know when I put it out, what kind of feedback people are giving me, then I will take a decision. At the moment, I don't have a business model surrounding this, but it will evolve over a period of time.
So what do you think? People have to buy it or they have to take your services?
As long as it is free, they just go to captaindgraja.com, see whatever recommendations I'm getting, go and trade and give me a feedback whether they have made money or lost money. I'm not charging them for that. And later on, if they are happy, and we can work out a mutually kind of beneficial deal, but that will be sometime. At the moment, it is only on the website, and it is, they can go and check the calls, and it is free. And I can assure you, because so many years of work I have put in, it can take on the who's who in the market. That is my confidence.
Anything more you would like to share?
What I would like to share more is, because there is lot of awareness about market. Probably I was reading in the Money Control that 37% increase in demat accounts, and people are sitting at home trying to dabble the markets. Then lot of brokerages are giving algorithmic tools and all that. So what I tell people generally, it is like giving a child a AK-47, giving advanced tools. So for you to have a grasp of the basics is very important. We cannot straight away jump into esoteric systems without understanding the basics of the market. So I will just add a note of caution that before they jump into this kind of thing, they have to do a thorough homework, and it takes a successful reading and analyzing for a few years before they can use this product. So my good advice is to not to jump in and lose their hard-earned money. See, very simple it is. As long as we protect the downsides, the upside will happen. The market should not grind you out. We have to build a robust system and arm ourselves with the knowledge so that we can weather the volatile period and kind of make long-term returns instead of chasing short-term views. And that happens even for your market study and analysis.
How your portfolio has performed in the last 5 years, if you don't mind?
Yes, my portfolio has, if I look at it, prior Corona, it was about 22% rate of return. And post-Corona, I can say it has come down to about, say, 14% CAGR approximately.
That's good.
Yes, and the important point is, one thing we have to keep in mind is, when we talk about portfolio, my incremental cash flows, say, for example, I have put in X amount of money, and which I can kind of base my returns based on that. But what happens in subsequent years, you are having your other income. So, but whether we are allocating that towards that portfolio also matters. So X, suppose in X, sometime you again accumulated money, X amount of money, but I don't want to put it into the market. Like, for example, the last 5 years, mostly I've been just holding on to my long-term stocks and kept my money in fixed income securities. And just now this month, I got a trigger in my system. So I have moved 30% of my assets into gold. So this is how I view my portfolio as if somebody has to. So it's basically the principles are based on in what in advanced countries you called as hedge fund. This is what hedge funds manage assets across the globe.
So nice talking to you.
Whatever is in the hedge fund, the people for free. Come again?
I said nice talking to you. We'll keep it regular basis.
Yeah, Mr. Sethi, nice talking to you too, and thank you for providing this opportunity. And that too, when the website is just my blog is just nascent. Really, thanks a lot.
Sure. I will send you the video.
All right. Thank you.
Nice
Take care.
talking. Thank
Stay
you.
home, stay safe.